Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about the Reebok Question Mid's Double Cross. Reebok is bringing this shoe back, man. This is one of Reebok's biggest shoes in the 90s when Iverson was wearing the Questions. He was hitting people with all different types of crossovers. He had the red pair, he had the blue pair. But these right here is a mixture of the red, white, and blue pair and the red and white pair, man. It's a mixture. They call it the double cross. But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go. Reebok Question Mids Double Cross. Let's get straight into the shoe. On the left foot, you can see you got the red suede on here. You know, the OG red suede on the front. You got the white midsole right here with the honeycomb in the inside, red honeycomb in the inside. On the Reebok side, you have the red with the blue outline. You got the red joints right here with the shoestrings going to. It says Reebok going up here. We got the red, white, and blue Reebok logo right here on the tongue. Flip it over to the back. You got the 3 for Allen Iverson and red with the blue, with that blue gum sole on the bottom. You have suede background here, and then you have the blue Question logo. This is the Allen Iverson logo for Reebok when he first came out. This was the logo that they made for him. Flip it over to the other side, it says Reebok here again. On the inside, you have the Reebok logo here in red, white, and blue. Then you got the honeycomb, more the same on this side with the white midsole. Got the gum sole on the bottom, of course. It says Reebok here with the Reebok logo. And then you flip, you see the honeycomb down here, whatever. That's what we used to call it back in the days. The blue sole. You got the Reebok in the inside of there. Let's get the right foot and see what that's looking like. Alright, here's the right foot. As you can see, you got the red, blue, and white Reebok logo here. Then you got the honeycomb in the inside, but it's blue instead of red. On the left foot is red, on this foot it's blue. You got the royal blue tip right here. The Philadelphia 76ers colors back in the days used to be red, white, and blue. So these are the colors that they made for him when he first got into the league. When Allen Iverson first got into the league and he got the shoe. This is a shoe. This is a big shoe in the 90s, man. A lot of people was wearing this. Allen Iverson hit a lot of people with the crossover, the famous Allen Iverson crossover in these shoes right here, man. That's what made this shoe legendary, man. And him coming into the NBA and him being himself, like he gained a lot of fans. A lot of kids growing up adopted the crossover and made their own crossovers, man. A lot of people, if you ask a lot of NBA stars who inspired them to have the crossover that they got, man, they're gonna say Allen Iverson, guys like Tim Hardaway, you know, that had big crossovers that made people fall, Sham guard. You know, there's a lot of different dudes out there that had the crazy crossovers back in the 90s, man. You got the blue honeycomb here, of course, white midsole. Flip it over to the back, you got the 3 that was Allen Iverson number when he played for the 76ers. You got the blue back with the red 3, and then you got the blue back here with the Question Reebok sign here on the inside. Man, overall, I think this shoe is clean, man. This is the type of stuff right here that I get excited for, because it reminds me of the golden era. Like, I call the 90s the golden era of sneakers, or pretty much anything. Like, if you listen to hip hop, I consider the 90s was the golden era, man. Like, if you were born in the 90s, probably like 98 or something like that, and you watching the video, like, go do your homework on the 90s, man. A lot of sneakers, a lot of music and stuff that came out back then is getting, you know, people are using it now, you know, and the sneakers are definitely coming back out now. But go do your homework on the 90s, man. The 90s was a beautiful decade, man. That era was crazy, man. But this shoe right here, man, I think this shoe was crazy, man. I like what they did with both shoes, you know, being both legendary colors. You know, if you know anything about the Questions, they came out in a bunch of different colors, but these two were the most legendary colorways of this shoe right here, man. It was just crazy, man. In 96, Like the red ones came out in '96 and the blue ones came out in '97. It was just overall clean shoe, man. Like a lot of, kids wanted these shoes growing up. I wanted a pair, but I ended up buying the Pippins back then, man. Like he was competing with Jordan prices and stuff like that, man. Reebok definitely made a lot of money with Iverson. That's why they gave him that lifetime contract. If you don't know, he's one of the probably only athletes in the world to have a lifetime contract, with a major sneaker company back at that time. But yeah, super clean, man. Let me know what you guys think, man. If you guys think this shoe was, they was doing a little too much, man, or if you like it, man, leave in the comments below, man. I think this shoe is super clean, man. And I think it has that 90s feel to it, man. I love that 90s feel when they come to sneakers, man. Like I wouldn't wear these, like a lot of basketball sneakers back then were very bulky. And these shoes are very bulky, so I would probably just do these with some shorts, next summer or something like that, man. I don't know how, or some sweatpants or something like that. I won't really do these with jeans, but I would definitely do these with some sweats or some shorts, man. But let me know how y'all rocking. Leave it in the comments below. But y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, man, I'm definitely gonna have to give these OG joints a 4 out of 5 pennies, man, because this shoe is just clean, man, straight to the point. And Iverson did numbers in these sneakers, man. He put up a lot of big numbers in these sneakers, man. These sneakers are legendary. To this day, when they come out, people still buy them. Like maybe about a year and a half ago, Currency did a collaboration with Reebok, and they gave him a Question Mid. I got those. I just never did a video on it or whatever, but I got that shoe, man. Currency, he came out with a couple of dope shoes on the low, so if you guys want to do your homework on that, look that up, man. But these are definitely clean, man. 4 out of 5 pennies. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think this shoe is trash, leave in the comments below. If y'all think they fire, leave them in the comments below.